Hi, I'm just going to show you how to edit your information for your required practical. So I've downloaded my results into Excel because I find it easier to do than Sheets, and I want to create a graph. So the first thing I do is, this isn't right, so I'm just going to, it's because I've just downloaded it from Excel, so I'm going to do this times 9.8 to get my attention. Lovely. And I would like to plot a graph of I think this one we just did mass, didn't we? Oh no, we'll do tension against frequency squared. It won't matter. You can, I think you can do mass or tension. You just get a value for G in this. So yeah, I'm going to highlight this with my mouse, and then I'm going to press Control and then highlight frequency squared, which is what I want on my y-axis. So if you press Control at the same time, it will highlight both of them, and then you can go to Insert, Chart, Scatter. I've got a nice straight line here. Okay. So this is my graph. I want to add a trend line. So add trend line. So you right click on the dots, add trend line. And then I'm not sure you can see this actually, 1 second. Yeah, on this side, you can see here you've got linear. So tick linear. And then you want to set intercept. So you set the intercept to 0, 0, and then click display equation on chart, and then you get your equation. And then you can use that equation to figure out, I think this one was G or mu, whichever one you're going to figure out. You can use the equation, you can check your answer. Just as a word of note though, I haven't got labels on my axes, so I need to add some labels. So I click on the scale, and I think I can add a label here. Label. Oh, it won't let me choose the label. 1 second, I'm just going to try something. Sorry, I can't figure out how to put labels on my axes. There'll be a button somewhere. If I find it, I'll let you know in lesson. But anyway, if it was me and I couldn't find it, I'd print off my graph and then I would just write the labels on the axes. If you know how to do it, let me know and then I can show everyone else. Okay, but that's how you plot your graph and get your results. And then for the other experiment, you do length against 1 over length. So again, choose your first column, choose on the y-axis, insert, chart. Oh, hang on, I chose the wrong thing. I want 1 against length against frequency. So whichever one you choose first will be on your x-axis. There we go. So these results were not quite as good. It's fine. So we click on the data points. We add a trend line, linear, set intercept 0, 0, and display equation on chart. And there we go. Okay, hope that helps.